Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share files. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do if this is your first time in Droyo, click the start button. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Sharing files here in Droyo is a straightforward process, and there are several ways to do it. So once you open the Droyo application on your computer or open the Droyo, the web version, I want you to go to the upper left corner where you can see the file. For example, I've been working with a specific diagram and I wanted to share it. Now, you see, there is an option here on the upper left corner wherein there's going to be an option that says share, and you would be forwarded in this small box right here. There's going to be a small dialog box. Wait for it. Takes a little while depending on the complexity of your diagram's data. Sometimes if the data is too enormous, it takes a little while to load because it's processing all of the information. Alright? As you can see, what will happen is sharing is only available via Google Drive. Now, please click open below and share it from the more actions menu, which is this one right here. Click on open and you will be forwarded to your Google Drive account. Of course, from here, you can just simply click the continue button and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, alternatively, if you hover to the upper right corner, there's going to be a share button, right? It's the same thing. It will give you to the share button via the Google Drive. Now, what we can do is, if you don't have any Google Drive account, don't worry because we can share via the export option, which is we're going to share the file. How? Click the export as, for example, you can choose from any of the following file formats: PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, PDF, VSDX, HTML, and a lot more. For example, we're going to be choosing the PNG as a file format. You see, you can choose from any of the following options here: diagram, page, or a lot more. You can add shadow, grid, and all pages, or the current page only. It's up to you. Now, what will happen is, click the export button. In this scenario, what will happen is you will be able to share this not only on your Google Drive, but you can also share it to OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, and GitLab. Alright, for example, we're going to be choosing the OneDrive. Click on save. You would be forwarded to the OneDrive if your OneDrive is connected to your Droyo account. It's very simple. Alright. Now, since I have integrated my OneDrive account, I'll be able to pull out that diagram directly to my Droyo. Now, the next option is we can basically share this via email by exporting it manually through our local file. I'm going to save it to my computer right here. Click on download. And from here, I can simply click the new mail. From here, I'm going to click simply on the new mail. For example, I'm going to be adding this. And I'm going to attach the file that we have exported. That's going to be via the attached file right here. All right, so the file has been attached. So basically, that's how you can share the files via the download, manually downloading the file and share it to your client, maybe if you're working with multiple team members. You can also use other platforms like, for example, Gmail. And of course, attach the file from here, send it to them. It's really easy sharing files here in Droyo platform. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.